अस्सलाम वालेकुम डियर स्टूडेंट्स। इस वीडियो में हम देखेंगे क्लास 9 कंप्यूटर साइंस चैप्टर नंबर 2 रिव्यू एक्सरसाइज। क्वेश्चन नंबर 1, व्हाट इज़ द डिफरेंस बिटवीन इन द सॉल्विंग सिंपल प्रॉब्लम्स एंड कॉम्प्लेक्स प्रॉब्लम्स? Answer number 1, solving simple problems and complex problems differ in several ways. Simple problems. Point number 1, well defined and straightforward. Point 2, few variables and clear goals. Point 3, easy to understand and explain. Point 4, typical have one right answer. Complex problems. Point 1, three defined and ambiguous. Point 2, multiple variables and uncertain goals. Point 3, difficult to understand and explain. Point 4, which may have multiple solutions or no clear answer. Summarize करें तो solving complex problems requires a deeper understanding of the context, critical thinking and creativity, whereas simple problems can be solved through straightforward logic and calculations. Next, question number 2, difference between computational thinking and logical thinking. Answer, logical thinking involves point 1 involves evaluating arguments, recognizing patterns, and making sound judgments. Point number 2 focuses on deducing conclusions from given premises. Point number 3 emphasizes reasoning, analysis, and inference. Point number 4 typical deals with abstract concepts and principles. Next, difference computational thinking. Point number 1 involves breaking down complex problems into manageable parts. Point number 2 focuses on finding efficient solutions using algorithm and data structures. Point number 3 emphasizes problem solving, iteration, and debugging. Point number 4 typical deals with concrete problems and data. Summarize अगर करें तो इसमें कहेंगे while logical thinking focuses on abstract reasoning, computational thinking applies logical principles to solve real-world problems using computational tools and methods. Computational thinking builds upon logical thinking, adding a practical, solutions-focused approach. Question number 3. Write 4 properties of computational thinking. So आंसर में computational thinking की 4 properties given है. First property है यहाँ पर decomposition, breaking down complex. Decomposition, ठीक है. अब breaking down complex problems into smaller, manageable parts of understand and solve them. ठीक है. अब ब्रेकिंग कॉम्प्लेक्स प्रॉब्लम्स को ब्रेकिंग डाउन करते हैं टू सिंपल स्मॉलर प्रॉब्लम्स में. एंड सेकंड इसकी प्रॉपर्टी है कंप्यूटेशनल थिंकिंग की एब्स्ट्रैक्शन, focusing on essential features and ignoring irrelevant details to develop a simplified representation of the problem. So थर्ड पॉइंट में कहा जा रहा है पैटर्न रिकॉग्नाइजेशन, आइडेंटिफाइंग regularities and relationships within data to develop algorithm and solutions. So fourth property है computational thinking की algorithmic thinking, developing step-by-step procedures to solve problems efficiently and effectively using tools like flowcharts, pseudocodes or programming languages. Next question में कहा जा रहा है what are the methods used to design a solution? अब आंसर में कहा जा रहा है here are the some methods used to design a solution. So first method है divide and conquer. Break down complex problems into smaller sub-problems and solve each one recursively. So break down जैसे कि पिछले क्वेश्चन में किया था कि complex problems को break down करें smaller problems में and then solve each one recursively. So okay. Second method है modular design. Build solution from smaller independent modules that can be easily integrated. So आप smaller जो pieces यानी कि जो solutions हैं उस डिज़ाइन बनाए एंड इंडिपेंडेंट मॉड्यूल्स दैट कैन बी इजीली इंटीग्रेटेड। वो उसके अलावा थर्ड पॉइंट है अल्टरेटिव डिज़ाइन, रिफाइन सॉल्यूशंस थ्रू रिपीटेड साइकिल्स ऑफ डिज़ाइन टेस्टिंग एंड फीडबैक्स। जो आपने सोल्यूशन स्मॉलर सोल्यूशन से डिज़ाइन बनाया है उसको आप रिफाइन कीजिए। Start with a high level overview. So 6 point है prototyping. Create a rough draft or mock-up to test and refine the solution. So एक डिज़ाइन बनाने से पहले एक रफ उसका स्केच बनाए, देन उसको फाइनल डिज़ाइन बनाए. So seventh method है design patterns. Use established templates or solution to common problems. एट हमारे पास मेथड है एल्गोरिथमिक डिज़ाइन. Develop step-by-step procedures to solve problems efficiently. So these methods help designers and problem solvers create effective solutions by breaking down complex problems, leveraging modularity, and refining their approach through iteration and testing.